This is Governor Steve Beshear about Kentucky. In the past 2 decades, the Far East has become a source of thousands of jobs and billions of dollars in investment for Kentucky. To further cultivate that relationship and explore additional economic opportunities, I traveled to Japan and China earlier this month on a 7-day economic development trip joined by Cabinet for Economic Development Secretary Larry Hayes. Our national and state economy continue to face significant challenges, even as we're seeing important glimmers of hope. Given the state of the national economy, trips and investments such as this one are even more important, particularly if we want to expand our economy in the future. Asia is a vibrant market filled with companies investing in high-tech and manufacturing interest. They've long looked at Kentucky as a place to invest and trade, and we want to build on that. In Japan, I had productive meetings with businesses considering new investments in Kentucky and to continue to strengthen relationships with firms that are operating and growing in Kentucky. Japan has long been a primary market for recruiting foreign direct investment to the Commonwealth. A September 2009 report on Japanese investment in Kentucky shows 154 facilities accounting for over 37,000 total jobs. Through our decades-long economic partnership, we've established solid, long-standing relationships with hundreds of Japanese companies. We continually seek to strengthen these ties and build upon our mutual economic interest. Additionally, since opening the Kentucky-China Trade Center in Beijing in 2006, the Commonwealth has worked to develop long-term relationships with Chinese government officials and business leaders throughout China. During the trip, I met with many of these representatives to discuss opportunities for increased cooperation. China today represents one of the fastest growing economies in the world and is a leading trading and economic partner for the United States. It's critical that Kentucky have an important role as our country develops even closer ties with China. We have a strong foothold in this country now. That role and that relationship need to expand significantly in the coming years. The only way to do that is by cultivating personal relationships with governmental and business officials, face-to-face and one-on-one. I'll go wherever I need to go, whether it's around the block or around the globe, to aggressively court and recruit high-paying jobs to Kentucky, the kind of jobs that will accelerate our economic recovery. This is Governor Steve Beshear about Kentucky.